Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to enable one-handed mode and how to use it in Vivo V23 smartphone without a further ado starter. First of all, you need to navigate into the settings, then choose shortcuts and accessibility. Then need to select one-handed. Now you need to enable the access mini screen using gesture. Now we can come into the main screen. So now we need to use this gesture to open the one-handed mode like this. After opening, you can adjust the one-hand mode position also. Click and hold the one-handed mode floating widget. You can change it to the any position. If you want to exit, you need to click on the view. So this is a gesture. You need to press like this. You can use easily with one hand. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.